Applying eyeliner can be a little tricky, but with some practice, you can master the technique. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to apply eyeliner in detail. Choose the right eyeliner. There are several types of eyeliners available, including liquid, gel, pencil, and powder. Choose the one that suits your needs and skill level. Prep your eyelids. Before applying eyeliner, prep your eyelids with an eyeshadow primer or concealer to create a smooth base. Choose your style. Decide on the type of eyeliner look you want to achieve. There are several styles, including winged eyeliner, tightline, and smoky eye. Start from the inner corner. Begin by lining your upper lash line from the inner corner of your eye. Use small strokes and work your way outwards. Create a wing, optional. To create a winged eyeliner look, extend the line outwards past the corner of your eye. You can make the wing as subtle or as dramatic as you like. Line your lower lash line, optional. If you want to line your lower lash line, start from the outer corner of your eye and work your way inwards. Fill in any gaps. Once you've lined your upper lash line, fill in any gaps or spaces between your lashes to create a seamless line. Clean up any mistakes. Use a cotton swab dipped in makeup remover to clean up any mistakes or smudges. Finish with mascara. Finish off your look with a coat or two of mascara to define your lashes. Practice. Practice makes perfect, so keep practicing until you get the hang of it. Remember, applying eyeliner takes time and practice, so be patient with yourself. With these tips, you can create a flawless eyeliner look in no time.